Companies everywhere are transforming their businesses with mobility. Providing a mobile experience that's always on, always available is what we do. We're Stratix, a Samsung authorized service and repair provider with over 3 decades of enterprise experience. Connecting employees, customers, and critical business activities for many of the largest global brands. Let's show you how it's done. A true end-to-end solution starts with a mobile blueprint. We do a full technology assessment, provide a proof of concept, solution acquisition, onboarding and integration. Getting the right mobile devices is just the beginning. Having the service and support programs after go live is critical. Here's where our experience takes us a step above. Stratix integrates Samsung unlocked devices, tablets, and wearables. All of these devices can be managed with Samsung's Knox security solutions, providing security, customization, and ease of management. The Stratix team configures, activates, kits, and deploys your solution on time and on budget. Our mobile operations center operates 24/7. Our staff is trained in multiple languages and certified to understand your mobile business needs. We solve your employees' mobile issues on the first phone call and reduce the number of returns with no trouble found. Because we managed your initial deployment, when an employee's device is broken or lost, our lifecycle management program will deliver replacement units right away. We'll update software and firmware remotely, manage licensing, and scale as your mobility needs grow. When you need a unique accessory to complete your mobile solution, Stratix offers custom in-house industrial design, leveraging state-of-the-art 3D printing to develop prototypes, saving you time and money. And to help you track all of your mobile assets, Stratix offers iTrack 360, our exclusive portal that manages all your mobility assets. With iTrack 360, you get real-time information on every mobile device in your enterprise. You can track assets in the field, spare pool or repair, RMA administration and device status, service level compliance, device level trending analysis and service history, and a real-time view of help desk calls and end-user support. iTrack 360 helps you know more and do more. Stratix, a trusted advisor with experience, processes, and technology to keep your mobile devices and your employees up and running. Together with Samsung, Stratix delivers comprehensive end-to-end mobile services so you can focus on running your business. Stratix simplifies mobile.